Hi dear students, welcome you all to another session of Brainiac's Doubt Clearance. So, we have a new question in front of you. This is from the chapter Solutions. 5 gram of a substance, 5 gram of a substance when dissolved in 50 gram of water lowers the freezing point by 1.2 degrees Celsius. Okay, lowers the freezing by 1.2 degrees Celsius. Calculate the molecular weight of the substance if the molar depression constant of the water is 1.86 Kelvin kilogram per mole. So how to do it? Again, this is a case of what actually depression in freezing point. So they are telling that there was 50 gram of water was there, into that 5 gram of a particular solute was added. Because of this, the freezing point lowers by 1.2 degrees Celsius. So if so, what is the molecular weight of the solute? So we will apply the same fundamental formula, that is delta TF is equal to KF into molality. So here I can expand the molality. So how will you expand the molality? Number of moles of the solute. So that means weight in gram of the solute divided by molecular weight, molecular mass of the solute. Okay. So I will write here solute for your understanding, divided by mass of the solvent in kilogram. So here they are given in grams. So we will say mass of the solvent, mass of the solvent. If it is in gram, what you need to do, divide by 1000, so that 1000 will come in the numerator, okay, to make it kilogram. So again I can write it like delta TF is equal to KF into W gram. Okay, so W gram by molecular mass. Okay, now I will use mass of the solvent as single letter M. Okay, or I will say capital letter, that will be more, capital W. This is the mass of the solvent in gram. Okay, this is solute, or you will get confused. This is solvent. Okay, and in numerator you can see multiplied by 1000. Now what you need to do, you need to substitute here what is delta TF value. They have told the freezing point lowers by 1.2 degrees, so I can put here 1.2 is equal to KF value they have given, that is 1.86, multiplied by weight in gram of the solute, that is 5 gram into 1000, correct, divided by, I can say divided by, what will come into picture, molecular mass of the solute, correct. So molecular mass of the solute, I will write it like this, molecular mass of the solute, we need to calculate it, into weight in gram of the solvent. So they have told 50 gram of correct, solvent mass is given as 50 gram, correct. So from this the molecular mass of the solute can be calculated. So molecular mass of the solute is equal to, I can say 1.86 into 5000, okay, divided by, what will come into picture, 50 into 1.2. Okay, I hope all of you are getting this. So if you do this calculation, I can say 0 will get cancelled with this one, this will become then 100, this will cancel of 100. Okay, so this will become 186 by 1.2, so that is around 155. So let us check whether that answer is there in the options. Okay, so if you see here, I see the option B as the correct answer, so I can go for option B. So I hope if you have understood the explanation, you can subscribe our channel, so you will get more videos, more questions, and if you need more detailed theory lectures, you can contact Brainiacs classes. Thank you.